It's minus 18 degrees Celsius just outside the Swedish mining town of Kiruna, north of the Arctic Circle. In this environment, Volvo cars winter test their cars, and it is here that the Volvo C30 Electric has to show its true colours. Extreme cold can be a particular challenge for electric cars.
The winter is affecting the electric car in such a way that we have to adjust the temperature for the compartment where the driver is sitting, and also for the battery, so that they can deliver the power that is requested.
But there are technical solutions that maintain heat for both batteries and passengers inside the car in conditions like these. When it's cold, an ethanol-powered fuel heater can help to maintain a warm temperature.
We have managed this in the C30 Electric by using 3 different climate systems which cooperate and distributes heat where it's needed and optimized to the driving conditions.
How far can you drive when it's minus 10 degrees Celsius?
In minus 10, I would say that you can drive 80 to 90 kilometers, and of course it's depending on how you're driving.
Volvo cars are in the middle of their final winter tests for electric cars.
We do it like a normal customer, start the car and take away. The expectation of the car is just like any day of the year. It copes very well with the driver, and we have driven it down to minus 33 degrees Celsius outside, and inside the coupe it's warm and cozy.
What do the journalists who have test-driven the electric car on site in this Arctic winter think?
It differs very little from driving a petrol or a diesel-driven car. I would say it's so little difference that you won't even notice it if it's an automatic gearbox in the car.
It was warm as a normal car. You just put on the AC and then it was just fine.
We took the car, it was 18 minus Celsius in the air. We had 3 minutes we had acceptable heat in the car, which I think is very good.
Well, it seems that the Volvo C30 Electric has no problem coping with the cold. The car's unique climate control system has sufficient capacity to warm up the batteries and still ensure that it is more than acceptably warm inside the car. It's possible to drive up to 70 or 80 kilometers, even if it's extremely cold, minus 33 degrees, for example. Volvo Cars has a strong belief in the future of the electric car that can in fact provide up to 90% of our daily requirements of personal transport by car.